Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new hair unboxing. So many of you all have asked me to review some 613 wigs and I was really excited to try this particular color. I'm going to dye this on a separate video. This is supposed to be a 36-inch 613 wig, so we're going to talk about it in detail in a little bit. Once again, I bought this wig 100% myself. This video is not sponsored. We're going to hop right into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. So y'all see my little plant son is back there dying, like it may be time for him to go. But I purchased this from A Lot Hair. It took about 6 days to come, which to me that's a little longer because usually my wigs take about 4 days. Y'all, I'm a little scared. I'm going to go ahead and crack this thing open. I'm a little scared because this is actually only 150% density. It is so hard to find a 613 wig that is like definitely like 250% density. I don't know why I got a length this long. I just wanted to try it, but I'm excited. So like always, remember, make sure you message the vendor before you actually purchase the hair. Hey, do you have the 613 13 by 4 150% density wig in stock before you buy it? You don't want to be waiting all day for them to actually ship out your wig. So here's the packaging. Little, but we'll see. Just what did it say? Choose us, choose beautiful. I'm a little scared, but I asked them for a picture and all of that to see the wig's thickness. It is a 13 by 4 613 wig and 36 inches according to the little tag here. Y'all, I want y'all to guess what color y'all think I'm gonna dye it. So here's the wig, you all. So it comes with just like a wig cap. That's it. Don't really need that anyway, but that's what it comes with. So I'm going to take it out of the packaging. So I don't think I've ever actually bought a 613 wig in my life. Smells like hair. Smells very hair-like. Okay, so let's get into the lace first. Let me show y'all. So it's a 13 by 4. It's like that weird shape 13 by 4 though. It like looks like this. Here you go. Like that. So you have some parting space. I'm gonna play with it a little bit. I was planning to do a middle part anyway, so that's okay, but I feel about that. So here's the wig. I like the thickness all the way throughout. Like at least it isn't like extremely thin when you get down there or anything like that. It's a nice length, but is it 36 inches is the real question here. Let me make sure I don't look a little frothy. Is this 36 inches is like the real question. But here's the hair. I mean, it has a nice flow to it. I'm really excited. Like, this isn't just thin. So look, this is the ponytail. So if it was in a ponytail, it looks like this. I feel like, so this is my wig from Sadiddy. They're honestly about the same thickness. Like if I try to put it in a ponytail, I feel like, so this is Sadiddy from Sadiddy Hair. And this is their 250% density. I'm going to link it, of course, but I feel like these two are really about the same thickness. Like, I may try to insert the clip from the video where I did that with this wig. Like, this isn't thin for 150 whatsoever. Like, okay. But like, this is a nice thickness. For 150, like, hold on, no shedding, so that's fantastic. This is a lot thicker than I thought it would be. So I'm 5'7", so that's where it would be on me. Let me scoot back. So this is where the wig would be on me, probably something like this. So yeah, right at my cheek. So that's a nice length, but I have my measuring tape here. Y'all know I'm good for my measuring tape. I'm gonna pull it out. Here it is. It's just on the floor. It wasn't even in my drawer, but I have an idea for this color. I hope it's the way I want it to be. But I have an idea, and I have a second color I want to do, but I'm going to order a different wig, a different 613 wig from a different company. But I'm happy with the hair quality. Now, I wish there was more parting space on the lace, but I'm happy with the hair quality, especially for 36 inches. So let's see what we're looking at here. So here's where, look at how, I really like these like ends though. These ends are really nice. So there are the ends. Really, I want to see how this hair curls and dyes, and if it can actually adhere to the color can actually adhere to the wig. Here's my little, you all see the numbers. Let's see. So it's looking like it's 36 inches. So it's giving 36 inches. So it's true to length. So that is good. And I'm 5'7", you all, in case you all were wondering where it would fall on you when I was standing up and all of that. But this is interesting. We're gonna see. Will I get any tangling or something like that? Of course, I've never had a 613 this long, even when companies sent me here. So that's something I'm really excited about. But okay, I mean, Lord, I was really thinking a 150% density wig would just be like, I don't know, but it would just be like, I can't even explain it. I was expecting something a lot thinner than this, but this is actually something I would actually be happy with. Even, it's getting more so, it's giving about 180, 200% density in my head. That's what I would think this thickness was. So apparently don't be too scared of getting 150% density sometimes, especially for straight. I was thinking if it was straight, it would be like so thin if it's 150% density, but I'm happy with this. The colors, well, I'm going to tone this immediately because I don't like just like the yellowness, but like this is some nice hair, especially for it to be the price I got. Like there's always a huge jump when you go from 32 inches, when you're looking at the price for about 30 or 32 inches to when you go up to 34, it'll be like a 50 or maybe anywhere between $50 to $70 jump. Look at these ends, they're nice. I mean, I'm happy with that. Surprised by the thickness, that's probably the most surprising thing. We'll see how much this annoys me, but I mean, that's a nice, I could do a nice long middle part with this, no problem. It's the side parts that may worry me a little bit. Here's the wig. Once again, this is from A Lot Hair. This is the 150% density, 13x4, 613 wig. I'm going to film another video with this, of course, because I'm going to color it. Y'all, guess what color I'm going to color it in the comment section. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And I was gonna say, let's get into this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye, guys.